Hello, welcome back to my tutorial. My name is Lucky. In this tutorial, in this video, I'm going to walk through your hand and I'm going to go we'll be dealing with something called a function or a module. Last video I walked through on the theory part of a function, and we said that a function performs its specific task. You can write a function and then want, and we also talk about the disadvantage, the advantage of using a function, and we say that it is code reuse. You can write it once and then use it many times as you need. And then it is also for debugging purposes, it is also good for debugging purposes, with the fact that if there's any mistake that you made on that specific function, you can easily go there and then correct it instead of writing everything in one function. So what computer does, it goes here, it starts from up here, okay, include this using the name standard as NSP std library, and then it comes, the computer start executing from here, from this main. And then today we are going to go outside of this block, and then we're going to start from here. And then let's say we want a function to print a hello world. We will say well, string, let's just leave it as void means empty. It's not going to return anything, so let's leave it at voice, and let's give our function a name. Let's say hello. I like to capitalize my first letters. Hello world. And then let's just put it as a function, and then we'll come here and then we'll, let's print out hello world on the screen. See out hello, whatever, how did I type that wrong? Okay, it seems like I can't type right now. Okay, hello world. Really, I'm just messing up my typing skills right now. Okay, I'm just gonna take a break and relax. Okay, end line. Right, okay, let's just write it, let's run it and you see what will happen. Whoa, we told this computer we told our program to print out hello world on the screen, and then it prints out nothing. We didn't even see anything. What kind of a program did we just design? Whoa, wait a minute, let's talk through it. Before you use a function, like I said, a computer start executing statement from the main function. This is where a computer look first and start doing whatever it's going to do. Whatever nonsense, whatever thing you have just placed here is going to start from here. It's not going to start from here. This is called a top-down approach. It starts from the top going down. And so let's call it, for us to call a function, what we just do, we just say, let's say see out hello world. Hello. Oh, really? I can't just type right now. I'm scared right now. And then see what I'm just doing. Hello world. And then let's just at least maybe end that line as well. Yeah. And then whoa, let's put our text nicely, otherwise we're gonna be flopping. And then let's run it. It just gave us a very big error right now. And is this really happening? Okay, what this error just meant, if you read down here, it says hello world was not declared in this scope. What it means is that I start from here, I included this, I start from the main, this is where the program starts, and then you search a print out hello world. Is it a function? Is it just a variable? I don't know what this means. If it's a function, then we just put the brackets right there. We will know that it's a function, and then it's going to give us another error. And then it said hello world was not declared again in the scope. This is because it starts from top, as I've mentioned before. So what we're going to do, we're going to prototype. Before you use a function, because it starts from up here, you must prototype it. Copy it, the name, and then prototype it and just write it on top here. And so what the computer will think, it will think like this. Okay, I start from here, right? I included that one, You are saying that you're going to be using namespace std library. Fine. Oh, you just created a function right here. In other words, if I meet this thing, I'm going to go and look for it somewhere in our program and then display it. And then let's just write it, and then you will see no more error. If it gives me error right now, I'm gonna cut off this video and then I'm gonna whip myself right now, because right now I don't want to mess with computer right now. Okay, actually I don't want computer to mess with me. So let's run it and see. Whoa, 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 did it just give me an error right now? Jeez. Okay, so this is just an error that appeared, and so I said see out. We are not supposed to do that. Let's just delete this, and then let's just paste this thing right there, and let's run it. Oh sweet mama, we just printed the best program ever. Hello world on the screen. Right, so let me walk through it again. For you to write a function, you can either write it underneath here and prototype it here or on top, or you can remove it and then remove this one from here and then write the function above before your main function, below, yeah, above your main function. And if you write it to still be cool, it will still do the same thing. This is because it will start from up here and then pass this one and then see that you have created a function and then able to execute it also. Now let's say execution, let's say after printing hello world, we're just going to put in our main, okay, we'll just create another function and then call it void int, okay, so let's say void string, and then let's say name, and then inside this function we are going to take the username. So we're just going to enter declare a variable and then say string name, and then we're going to tell the person to enter a name. So say out, please enter your name, end line, and I'm going to say in our name variable, and then from there we're going to just print out name. See out, you entered, oh sorry, we just say your name is name. This is a variable, obviously it's going to contain whatever we're going to enter, so it will just display it on that. Remember, so right now we just declared two functions, but if you look at it, we have three. One, the main, two, and then three. Computer start from here. This is the main thing about computer. We can declare it a sort of things here, but this is where computer start. So we'll just call hello world. I mean, yeah, this is where computer start. And then so we'll just say after you have executed this hello world, execute this function also, name, and then we'll just say we'll just terminate it right here. So what the computer is going to do is going to come here. Okay, let's just organize our code nicely, because I don't like having my code like this. I really don't know what's happening right now. Okay, I just cut it and then I pasted it up here before our main function, and what will happen is that it's going to print out hello world and then allow us to enter our name and then print it out. So let's just run it and you will see. Okay, hello world, which is the first one, and then enter your name. Let's say Okpaka Lucky. Yeah, just Okpaka is enough, and then say your name is Okpaka, and then it stop executing from there. So thank you very much. I don't like taking long in my videos, but right now thank you very much for watching my tutorial. Please subscribe and leave a comment if there is any problem that you are encountering, or if there's any suggestion. Right now I just want to take a deep breath because I'm typing like I don't have skills anymore. So please subscribe to my channel, and thank you very much. I love you guys.